For this preset we will begin with the normal saw wavetable. Next turn on noise and select bright white noise. And enable pitch tracking. Next shape the envelope one like this, attack to 5.4. Decay to 64. Sustain to 27.5 dB. Release to 118. For FX I have added a hyper and lowered the mix. Next I added a distortion and selected a sim. A low cut EQ, Camel Crusher with British Clean preset, OTT. Valhalla Room Reverb with short settings, another low cut EQ, Fruity Reverb 2. Last but not the least a Endless Smile for the fade out FX.